200 emails, 1 inbox, 2 AIs. Only one of them is still on my laptop at the end of this video. I gave ChatGPT and Claude the exact same email inbox, the same prompts, the same rules. I even planted a regulator critical deadline email in there. One email that obviously matters more than the rest of the 199. Whichever AI wins, I'm keeping. Whichever one loses, I will cancel on screen at the end of this video. Most comparison videos are ads. This is not one. Here is the inbox of 200 emails. Now, CSV file with these 200 dummy emails in. Now, one of them is the planted regulator email, the absolute emergency, it's on fire, deal with it now email. I will show you that later. Both AIs are going to get the same inbox, same prompts, same order. Let's run it. Here we go. So I have Claude on the left hand side of the screen and ChatGPT on the right. I've already pasted prompt 1 into their respective boxes here. Now I'm going to come into my dummy inbox. I'm going to just copy the entire thing into the bottom of the prompt here. Here we go. Both in, both prompts. Let's go. And we can see Claude straight out of the box is straight onto the task. ChatGPT just behind but catching up. In fact, I think ChatGPT is now in the lead. So ChatGPT has finished all 200, whereas Claude is still not even halfway through yet. But has that speed come at the cost of quality? There we go. So Claude has now finally finished as well. And if we have a quick scoot through the samples, we can see that neither of the AIs has done a summary at the bottom as we've told it not to. They have both kept their reasoning for their classifications under 15 words as specified. But given how quick ChatGPT did this and plowed through this compared to Claude's Opus 4.7, this round goes to ChatGPT. Round 2 is 3 emails, 3 replies from each AI, the same style rules. There we go. So speed-wise, pretty much both the same. Let's compare both the answers. So we've given pushback with reason. We've suggested a new target, and it's short, it's professional, it's good. I like it. So ChatGPT has pushed back, but with not a lot of actual substance. We're leaving the door open for that 15%. No, I don't like it. It is currently 1-0 to Claude. Let's move down. The personal one. So Claude, into 3 things at the moment. So 3 concrete options plus a fallback without a second round of questions and 1 thing to avoid. Like it. Over to ChatGPT. We've got more options. So we've left more choices open and it's been left open-ended with a I'll check back to you. So again, I'm going to give this one to Claude. 2-0 Claude. And finally, Hannah's email about the steering committee. This just might be personal, but I much prefer the way that Claude is formatting these as opposed to the aligned spacing we've got over here. Confirms the deadline, flags an addition she hasn't asked for but will want. So it's understood the brief and it's proactively suggested something else that we will probably need. I like it. ChatGPT again confirmed the deadline and when the slides will be over. I'm assuming this is confirming what's going to go in there. No proactive updates in there. Third email, formatting, conciseness, and the proactive piece there as well that Claude has thrown in. Claude wins the email reply phase of this 3-0. It's a whitewash. Let's get on to the last round. Here we are, round 3, which is the planted, the world is on fire, urgent email. The prompt goes in, 200 emails, identify the one. Will either of them pick it out? So while the AIs are sorting through the emails and checking out their answers, let's just go over the important bits in the email that we need to see that they have picked up on. So we know it's about the FCA. They need confirmation in writing by 5 p.m. today. So David wants 2 things from you by 4 p.m. today. That's these things here. If I cannot do it, call him. Great. Let's go and see what the AIs have done. Okay, so they have both picked up on the correct email. So first test passed, perfect. They've both kept it short and concise, amazing. They've both picked up on the deadline is 4 p.m. today and the reason why. Claude has a little bit more background in it compared to ChatGPT, but I don't think enough to sway it one way or the other. The important thing here is that they both picked up on the email and they both got the correct and the right reasons for it. So this round is a draw. So before the final verdict, the failures, because the failures tell you more than the wins in some cases. ChatGPT was fast, but speed has a cost. Only one of them actually wrote a reply I'd send without editing. Neither of them was perfect, but this one just edged it. ChatGPT wins on speed, Claude wins on quality, they tied on judgment, but here's the thing. Speed only matters once. Quality matters every single time I hit reply. So the final winner of this battle of the AIs is Claude. I will be keeping Claude. ChatGPT will be cancelled in a moment. Now, this is an email inbox test. If you mostly use AI for code, research, brainstorming, the winner might flip. Each model is good at different things, and that's why it's good to try them all out and keep testing them as new models come out as well. But for the professional email on a real workflow, this is the result. If this saved you £20 a month, or more importantly, saved you the decision, that's what this channel is here for. The free prompts I use for this are down in the description, so you can go ahead and copy them and run them on your own inbox. Let me know in the comments which one wins for you, which one is your daily driver, because your inbox is different from mine, and I want to see if the result holds up across different providers. One last thing, the prompts and the scorecards are all in this week's newsletter. Free to sign up for, link down in the description. Stay peachy.